Alright, on today's episode of What's Inside, let's tear apart a vacuum pump. There's a vacuum manifold, usually has two pumps, pressure switch you can see sitting open over there, expansion tank, and this is what feeds either your air or your vacuum system. This one in particular is for a vacuum system. So here's your pump, you've got an in and an out port here, your electrical. Back here is what feeds in. There's a capacitor, usually sits up here. All single phase motors in the US have a capacitor. I'm not even entering any of this nonsense about not having capacitors. So if you're getting power to your pump and it's not running, maybe it's a humming, maybe it's nothing, check your capacitors. They usually go bad. Maintenance wise, you got these filters in the front. You're supposed to clean out or replace them. I don't know, it's every 6 months, every 12 months. See, that's just falling apart in garbage. There we go. Let's take this thing open. Bunch of 7/16 bolts in the front. So these, kind of long if you're noticing. There we go. Sorry, there. Go. Holds this housing, this chamber. Next up, got some more. These are a little bit smaller. These are the 3/8. And these on this whole piece here, so these are going to be a lot longer. It's like tearing shit apart. There we go. Now if you notice this design, this is for moving. You can do fluid, you can do air. Now, instead of an impeller, we have vanes. These come out. These get replaced as needed. As far as a time period, it's based on use. You see they're all cut. Let's focus. There we go. It's from running around the shaft. There's a PM kit that comes with these. Usually just go to Gast. They make most of the vacuum pumps that I deal with, at least. I got oil changes, your oil based, vanes, generally like I said, as needed. Starts getting low performance and making weird noises. This one, as you can see, is seized. It's not even moving. I can't even make that budge. This should rotate freely. Pull some more shit out. Okay, that's off. Go. There we go, now we're moving. Look at this bunch of crap in here. It's just, geez, it's on there. But that's, I guess that's what's causing it to stick. This sludges. This is probably the built up carbon from these vanes fall apart. Maybe the moisture something got in there. Yeah, it's nothing more than carbon that a lot of heat and a lot of pressure. Remember Superman, where he makes the diamond? Was it Superman 2, I think? Somebody tell me if I'm wrong about which Superman is, but I think it was 2, where he splits into a good guy and a bad guy, and at one point he's in like the coal factory place, whatever, where they mine all the coal and shit, and he like takes it and shoots it with his laser beam eyes and squeezes it with his fist, and boom, makes a diamond for Lois. Alright, let's see what's up next. Pull these off. More 3/8. Keep the extension this time. Pull this apart. Let's pull the screws up the back. That's the nuts we just took off. That's longer than that. Holds this whole housing on here. A lot of beating. Pull assemble it out, pull the whole motor out. There you go. That's what we're looking at. Okay. There's your winding. Inside you'll see the electrical. There's the copper thing. This is just a slightly bigger version of this. It is a coil. So you got multiple lines in there, turning on and off, on different spots to make this whole thing rotate. It's a big electromagnet. Here's the big boy we're looking for. See how cruddy that is. It should be have some kind of grease on it to help it spin. That's definitely dried up. This is the locking system. Right, so most issues you're going to deal with these is just one of two things. First, electrical. Are you getting enough power to the unit? Is it wired correctly? Are you getting enough power to the unit? Power rating is on it. On the housing, it tells you what you're looking for. So see, this is a 100, 110, 220, 240. There's your amps. Everything's listed on that sticker there. It's a 3/4 horsepower pump. Anyway, if you verify the electric and it's still not moving, you can check your vanes. If they're not making anything flow, or if you have a turbine. After that, see these locks back here? You're really never going to pull it apart this far. If you're gotten this far, then you're just wasting time. I mean, once you verify the electric to the unit is good and the vanes are good, at that point just replace your pump. There's no need for you to go this far. This is, just for fun. Here's your interlocking system, so you see it doesn't really spin very well with this, but if we press this plate in, fell hard with one hand. There we go. Now I can actually move it around. Did I mention this is a brushless rotary vane style pump? Alright, that's it. That's what's inside this thing. Alright, have fun out there.